Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing. Well, okay, not an unboxing, a reveal. I received a bag. Oh, I wish it was a bag. I received a box from Penny from Luxury Next Season today, and I wore this item all day because I couldn't wait. So I have this bag. It says Fendi Roma, and oh my goodness, it's really late at night and the baby's awake. Okay, so it comes in this bag, Fendi Roma, and it is actually I don't even know what it's called. It is the Fendi guitar strap with the Zucca print. This is not the velvet print. It is in the all leather print, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is black and brown, and it has the Fendi's, the Zuccas are accentuated and kind of puffy, and then on the other side it is brown, and you can wear it on both ways. It says made in Italy, and then it is gold hardware. I have been eyeing this for so long. I saw it on Penny's IG Instagram. If you're not familiar with her, I absolutely love her feed. She is amazing. I will post a little Instagram picture right here of her feed. She's just so amazing. I absolutely adore her style. And I saw it first on her Instagram, and it was the velvet guitar strap, and I like fell in love. The price is a little hefty for what I feel comfortable with, but Mel Sedora, shout out to Mel. Hi Mel. She has the bucket bag and the velvet Zucca guitar strap. It is so beautiful. But anyways, I saw it on Penny's page and I knew I had to get it. This is so beautiful. My intentions for this Fendi strap was to wear it with my Fendi Peekaboo. I also bought this Fendi Peekaboo from Penny, and my intentions were to wear it with this. This Fendi Peekaboo comes with the thin strap like this, and it's okay. I mean, I'll wear it, but I kind of don't like it because I'm short, and this strap just, I'm not feeling it. So I actually bought a strap from Amazon. And I love this strap. Oh my goodness, guys. I absolutely love this strap that I bought from Amazon, and I think it was only like $8. I bought it a couple of weeks ago, and I adore the strap. I actually wear this strap with my Peekaboo all the time. I really like the HRH straps as well, but I do feel like they're a little bit pricey. I really like them because they have like the circle clasp, which I couldn't find with this one on Amazon, but for now I'm pretty happy with it. It kind of has like the Louis Vuitton clasp. But yeah, I really like this, but I was really wanting a like Zucca strap to go with it. So although this strap is gold, I don't mind mixing the gold and silver. So I'm going to show you really quick what it looks like on. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. I absolutely like love it so much. I wore it all day today. I went to the post office, I ran errands, I did a little bit of work, and I went to grocery shopping as well with the baby. And I loved it because I wore crossbody. Crossbody is a little bit short, but I really love the look of like a longer crossbody, a shorter crossbody, and it was just so cute. And I also wore it on my shoulders. I know some people have concerns about guitar straps falling off their shoulders. I didn't have that in my case, but again, I only wore it today. But oh my gosh, it is such a looker. I did wear it with the strap today, which I love, but honestly, like, it would look good without the strap as well. Make it more simple and classy. And this is what it looks like. I love it. My intention was to wear it with the Fendi Peekaboo, but my primary reason that I really wanted to buy this was not for my purses. I wanted to wear it with my vintage Fendi Zucca bag that I bought on eBay. I thought that would be really cute as well. I wanted to wear it with a few other bags. I was contemplating buying like a black bucket bag to put this on that I saw like on eBay and Etsy. I really want the Fendi Zuka bucket bag that Mel and Amy has, but I can't decide on what I want. I really like the black leather one with the velvet print, but I also like Mel's version, the brown and the black. I am contemplating getting the green version, so I'm gonna put all three of them on. And down in the comments, will you guys tell me which one's your favorite? I kind of like all of them, but I just can't decide. So let me know what your favorite is. Green is my favorite color, although I wear black all the time for purses, so let me know what you guys think. Okay, so the main reason I bought this bag was to wear it with my camera. So this is my Sony 6300, or is it? I can't remember, but JT films this when we do our kind of creative looking videos, and right now I'm filming with my Fuji, which I take pictures with and trying to film with. So we carry our cameras everywhere. I vlog with my Canon G7X. I know this is like so much information, but I have a black strap that goes with my Fuji that I'm filming with, and it's just like the basic like camera strap, and I don't really like that. So I bought it so I can put the strap on my camera. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I literally carry my camera everywhere. Wherever we go, I carry my camera, and it can be cumbersome, and then having that little like black strap kind of, it's okay to me. So we take pictures of the family, we vlog with the family, I do vlogs for you guys, and I also like take pictures. So I figured, why not have like a cute strap? So, you know, I was just thinking outside the box. I don't want to just put it on all my bags, which is fun, like totally fun, but I really wanted to put it on my camera. So on the camera, there is like these little like straps on the side. I'm gonna see if it fits. I really hope it does. It's kind of tiny. So let me do this real quick. Okay guys, so look, it actually fits perfectly. I'm hoping that you can see this in screen, but I am gonna wear this around my neck and have my camera right here and take pictures and film. And honestly, I wear my camera like a strap like this, or I wear it on my shoulders, and then I carry my purse as well. I will take pictures of me wearing this with my camera eventually. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Tabby Violet, and yeah, Tabby Violet. Sorry guys, my Instagram is Tabby Violet, so be sure to follow me there if you want to see some pictures of how I style things. But yeah, I think this is so cute. I feel like it's just unique. So anyways guys, I absolutely love this. I did order one more thing, and I will open that right now with you guys. It came in the little bag as well, but it's the Fendi Roma. This is Fendi Roma. And I got the Fendi Zuka nylon socks. Oh my goodness guys, this is the brown version, and it comes in the black version as well. And I absolutely love this. If you guys look on like the runway shows, or if you follow Fendi or Gucci, the nylon socks, or like the socks with the monogram print, is so popular. And I actually purchased a Fendi Zuka vintage mules a couple months back, and I think these would be so perfect. I will wear these and let you guys know what they look like, and I absolutely love these guys. I know they're quirky and they're not everyone's taste, but I absolutely love these, and this is on Penny's page as well. I will link everything down below on Penny's IG, Penny's website, and Luxury Next Season. This is not the first time I purchased with her, and it will not be the last time. I will always buy Fendi things from Penny because I absolutely adore her. She has immaculate taste, and I just love her. If you guys are interested in buying anything from her, I will link a coupon code for you guys. It is 100 off anything that you want on her website. So yeah, be sure to check her out. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you liked this Fendi Zuka strap and then the nylon Zuka socks. And then before I go, I just wanted to show you my vintage Zuka. Actually, they're the smaller print, and I think they're called the Zuka Nini. I don't know, there's a name for it. But they have the Fendi like logo all over it. It's smaller, super cute. I got this on eBay and I absolutely love it. I think it would be so perfect with my Fendi Zuka socks. And yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, if any comments. I really love interacting with you guys. So I will talk to you very soon. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Don't you stop the music.